Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is Masjid Nabi, the place of worship for the believers. Allah is the most merciful, the entirely merciful, the most forgiver. The believers never forgive praying Allah, worshipping Allah. The time in this world is very short. It is creeping. We are going to our final destination. We need to pray Allah always. We need to submit ourselves to Allah. We need to give up hatred. We need to give up haughty behavior. We need to be submissive to Allah. We need to be in the prostration, in the supplication, in the prayer, namaz. May Allah give you bless with the understanding of the purpose of our coming into being, why Allah sent us on this world, on this earth. Allah said in Holy Quran, in the glorious Quran, وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ.